Lucky. Checking to see if he has a criminal record. Oh, look at that. 1978.
Yeah.
Convicted for hanging stolen property.
And he was allowed to carry a gun?
Non-violent offender. Turned into restoration of rights because he served only 2 years. 30 years ago, been clean ever since.
Okay.
So why did the CIA protect and serve the country?
Give me it. Put it down. Chloe, put it down. Chloe. Chloe, I need this. Do you want? Chloe? Toby? Does she listen? Does she listen? No. There she goes.
That was a silly question. Whatever you say. Are you serious? I mean, make a profound difference in a
Give
man's
me
life.
the. Give me the. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Except one